Today I'm going to show you 5 basic lifts and how to modify them if you have hip pain or discomfort. And the best thing is this doesn't require a lot of equipment. Hi, I'm Lorna Kleidman. I'm an 8-time world champion athlete, personal trainer, and the creator of Hip Ease. Maybe you've been told that you need a hip replacement, maybe you're recovering from one, or you're just trying to stay strong while avoiding hip discomfort or pain. I've got you. Let's start with squats to a chair. You can use a block to raise the seat up to you and fingers on the TRX to just give your body some support and reduce the weight that you're sitting and standing with. And for all of these movements, you want to do about 12 to 15 reps. And maybe you don't need the support from your arms and you can just tap and stand to the block. And then the final version, you can just tap and stand. As soon as you feel that seat under the back of your thighs, you'll stand up. Squats are great for quads, hamstrings, and your butt. Now we'll use the chair for support, just light fingertips on it, and we're gonna go into hip abduction, bringing the leg to the side. Here you wanna make sure that your toenails and your knee faces forward, so you're not gonna turn the leg out on a diagonal. Keep it forward, bring it back, touch, bring it back. And we're getting here gluteus medius and minimus, the abductor muscles. This is really important for the strength of your hips, even helps your back, helps your knees. And if you're having hip pain, these muscles are very important to keep strong. And then once in a while, you can test your balance. Now, if that was easy, of course, we have another way to make it more challenging. You can add a resistance band and you want to go slowly to bring it back. So resist that resistance band. Don't bring it back quickly. Take your time on what's called the eccentric or the negative, bringing it back in. And again, once in a while, you can test your balance. Maybe you don't need the chair and you can do this just standing. The block is one of my favorite tools and what I recommend that all of my clients have. You can use it on 3 levels, flat, medium, tall, and we use it for push-ups, for stretching, and I'm gonna show you now for split squats. So put it on the tall height. And again, you can use the back of your chair, one leg in front, one foot in back on the ball of the foot. And you're gonna bend your knees, split squat, touch, and stand. So the block brings the floor up to you, gives you that end point. And of course, if you can go deeper, then you can make the block lower. Medium height. And then just test your balance every once in a while. Maybe you don't need the chair. And then if you want to add a challenge, you can pulse at the bottom as many times as you want. This is working the quads, hamstrings, glutes. Now let's do a step up. This is great for quads. You can use a stepper with a couple risers or an actual stair. Again, the chair is here for support if you need it. Shifting your weight onto that stepper leg, stand, either touch the toe or test your balance, and then control slowly as you lower. Shift to that stepper leg and then slowly lower. Now we're going to go into a hinging pattern, which is going to work more of the hamstrings. So use the back of the chair as a touch point. You're going to stand about 6 to 8 inches away. Bring your palms up, pinky edges right below your hip bones. Send your butt back and you're going to feel that crease. I want you to bury your pinkies into that crease until you touch that chair and stand. Butt goes back, 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 and then stand. You're going to feel a stretch in the back of your legs and your hamstrings as you hinge your butt back, and then your hamstrings are going to bring you up. And then once you get that sense of the crease, you can place your hands on your thighs. As your butt goes back, the hands go down, and then at some point you're going to hold weights, dumbbells in your hands. And this is going to be the position that they're going to slide down and up for your Romanian deadlifts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and I'll see you at the next one.